Show me what you got now. Come on, make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.
That's why the guys like to shout. She's abused. Let's face it, I'm cute.
Hello guys, welcome back to my page. I'm Nods and I do trendy DIYs. Yeah, today we're going to be doing some bleach DIYs, which is kind of fun. Yay, they're trending right now, so yay, let's do it. Usually I do a regular intro, but I have two black eyes, so that's not cute, so I didn't want to do that. So yeah, anyways, enough of the jibber jabber, let's get into the video. But wait, you should totally follow me on social media and subscribe to me if you want to. And make sure you check out my Depop and Poshmark because I post and sell a lot of the stuff I make on there. So yeah, check that out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Whew, I was talking like mad fast. But anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have these like really old jeans. They're not the cutest. They're like a darker denim, but they're not black. And it's just like a really type of pants. So basically I'm going to just scrunch them up so I can create this tiger print pattern. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, but basically I did that by folding back and forth. You know how you used to make those little fans like as kids? Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. It's really simple. And then you're just going to band it up with some rubber bands. I use these big old hair bows, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, and just band them up, and then you're going to pour bleach all over them when you're done. Okay, place those to the side. Now it's time for the next pair. So with this pair, this was really old, ugly pants. They made me look flat, which I am flat, but you know, they were high waters. Like, just get rid of them. Let's just ugh. Okay, so now for the actual bleaching part, you do not want to wear your best church outfit because like, no, we don't want to ruin that. You want to wear clothes that you can get a little bit bleached, a little bit messed up, and yeah. So now on the way to the outside, wow, I'm just stupid. We decided to get some bleach first before we go there, and yeah, and then have Auntie Anne's and bubble tea stop because like, why not? And now I'm going to awkwardly switch over into non-voiceover. So bye, it's been real, y'all. So a pickle jar with some water in it just so I can mix the bleach and water just a little bit. My pants, of course. Some paintbrushes I don't care about for this pair of pants. Ooh, look at these toes. Oh gosh. Some of these little plastic bags to put inside of the pants, and some bleach, of course, inside of the pants just so the bleach won't go through. Yeah, that's basically it. Wearing my bleach inside of there. Yay! I probably didn't need that much, but I can use it for my other pair of pants if I have too much in my solution, and paint little squiggles. Squiggle. Okay. Already looks before I even move on to the next pant leg, which is cool. I wanted to get a little bit whiter, and then I'm gonna rinse it all off. So let's get this finished. Back real quick. Yeah, it's kind of sloppier, and I did less squiggles on the back. My brush is pretty much disintegrated. This is why you're not supposed to use a brush that you actually care about. I'm out in the sun to like radiate heat. What? I leave them out in the sun to dry so they can get a little bit whiter. I'll probably set a timer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Check on it, get back to you, then see, and blah, 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 okay? Go ahead and start on my next pair of pants. I'm taking the rest of my bleach and I'm just literally gonna pour it all over the pants, and yeah. Ooh, and I went to somewhere where a whole bunch of plants are not, so I don't know if bleach kills plants, but whatever. Ooh, it's already turning. Look at that. Oh, I ran out. Let me go get some more. Oh my gosh, the shade came, y'all. The sun literally just went away. Really? When I want the sun to come, it goes away. And when I don't want the sun to come, it comes out. But whatever. That's just my life. Okay, whoa. So I just went to go get more bleach and I came back and it's already like turning. And the poor ground. Oh my gosh. This is why I didn't want to do it around plants. Poor plants. I'm just going to pour some more. Don't be shy. Put some more. Okay. I'm gonna flip it over and try to get even more on there. Oh, wow. Okay, that's not cute anymore. Let me take it off this hot ground because these pants might just start falling apart in a minute. Bleach is really damaging because look at that. Oh, wow. Ow, this is hot. This is burning my hands. Oh my gosh. Hold up. Hello and welcome back to an episode of What Not to Do. So let's look at these pants. I'ma just rinse them off because I don't like this color anymore. So we're just gonna do it, and they're burning up hot. Ow. Yeah, I'm gonna rinse these off. Let it rain. Let it rain. Let it rain. Oh, the sun's back. Hey, sun, we missed ya. Oh, bad. It didn't come out bad at all. I wish I would have done it a little bit sooner because I don't necessarily like this like white brownish color, but it didn't come out horrible. Like, look at that. Did I just do something? Hold up. It's on like for long at all, but I kind of decided that I like this color and that like this is good enough for me. It's good enough for me. I don't want it like too bad and I don't want it to turn out like how that turned out. So this is good. I'm just wash it out now. This is how it looks. I'm gonna just pop them in the washer and yeah. So now laying them out, this is what we have. Excuse my dirty carpet, I'm so sorry. This one actually came out really cute. I actually like it now. And I think I'm gonna like dye these parts pink. Cause I like color pink. But it looks fine like this too. You can leave it like this, but I'm gonna dye it pink. And then with these, I'm gonna put white here. Just trace over it with like a white line. So yeah. See? You just draw lines on the line that's already there. It kind of just gives it this cool like lightning type of effect. I don't know. It's kind of cool. I saw it on like TikTok or Instagram or something. You cannot tell me that does not look cool. Does that not look cool? It looks so cool, right? And it was so simple, so easy. That looks cool too, but I haven't finished that yet, but yeah. Okay, so I like my pants here. I really wanted to do, like, put dye in a bucket with water and just put the whole thing in there and dye it. But I don't have Rit dye, and yeah, so then I was going to do my other water paint method. So I don't know. I'm just going to see how this works. So I'm just going to put red paint in here. Yes, I'm doing the ghetto method. Red paint in here, and I'm just gonna paint on the thing. Red paint with water, and we're just gonna see how this turns out. Okay, guys. I'm kind of glad that it actually turned out all white, so it's easier to paint, like easier to do. That's just God, or whatever you believe it. Let me shut up before I get thrown out the door. Before I even get thrown in the door, let me just shut up. But I forgot to talk about the solution mix. This is the one that I did. Of course, it's kind of sorry for background noise. It's kind of maybe not the best practice, but oh my gosh. Okay, so I used red. Oh my gosh, look at that. I used red and I mixed it in with some water. But you want to make sure it's not too diluted because then it's not going to come out nice. It's gonna come out like not nice. And remember, red, it's whatever color you choose, the color is going to be lighter than that color. So I did a mixed red and water and it made it like pink, which I wanted pink anyways. So yeah, more water. Basically, the more water you add to your paint and water mix, the more diluted it's gonna be, and the less it may show up, or the lighter in color it's gonna be. So really, I suggest using small amount and like a lot of paint. If you're gonna use the paint method, which I don't know how well it works in the wash and all that stuff. I don't know how well it holds. So, but I'm not planning on washing these pants much. So, you know, do at your own risk. Okay, so the pants are done. I got all the pink on both sides. It's kind of coolio. I'm gonna let them dry. Yeah, I'm gonna let them dry. And yeah.
This running me, Jolly yellow dancing on me. Say she smell the green on me. And she straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna be. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's okay for me. And she said, my old boo left me blue, I really loved her. She said, so cold and so cruel, so many colors. She said, play hoes like Pro Tools, can't never trust them now.
No way you're still here. If you're still here, you must like me a little bit, if not a lot of it. So you might as well follow me on social media or subscribe and like and comment if you want to. And make sure you check out my Depop and Poshmark. Again, I post stuff I make and sell on there. So yeah, bye chicas and chicos.